Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best driving recorder is probably one of the most essential pieces of technology for any driver today, offering peace of mind and crucial evidence in case of an accident. With advancements in technology, these devices now boast incredible high-definition clarity and expansive wide-angle views, ensuring that no detail on the road is missed, from distant license plates to the periphery of your vision. Imagine capturing every moment of your journey with unparalleled detail, providing a comprehensive record of your travels and protecting yourself against false claims or disputes. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Cam. Experience stunning 4K Ultra HD video quality with our advanced 8MP Sony sensor. This device captures every detail, ensuring you have clear footage day or night. Don't let low light stop you. Our revolutionary super night vision technology, featuring a 6-glass lens and f1.5 aperture, delivers exceptionally clear footage even in the dark. Instantly view and manage your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Download videos to your smartphone at high speeds and share your adventures easily. Keep track of your journeys with accurate built-in GPS. You can review your driving route and speed on Google Maps through our user-friendly app. This device is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including a supercapacitor, a wide 150 degrees lens, parking mode, and G-sensor for comprehensive protection. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support based in the USA. We're here to assist you with any questions or issues. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with 4K UHD recording and advanced super night vision. This device offers seamless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 for quick video transfers. If you demand the absolute best in image quality and convenience for capturing every detail, even in low light, this is the one for you. What people say. The video quality is excellent, capturing clear footage even in low light conditions. The wide-angle lens provides a comprehensive view of the road, ensuring no blind spots. Installation was straightforward, and the device is compact and unobtrusive. Number 4. AZDOME M01 Pro Dual Dash Cam. Introducing a dual dash cam system that provides comprehensive security. It records in full HD from the front and clearly from the rear, ensuring your drive is covered from every angle. This advanced system includes lane departure and forward collision warnings. These timely alerts help reduce the risk of accidents on the road. Stay alert with the fatigue driving reminder feature. Regular prompts help mitigate the risks associated with prolonged driving periods. Get started right away with the included 64GB SD card. Remember to format it upon first use for optimal performance. Even in low light conditions, it delivers super night vision. You can clearly capture all the details of the road ahead. Enjoy uninterrupted recording with the loop function. It automatically overwrites older footage, while important G-sensor locked videos are safely preserved. What we like. Get comprehensive coverage with both front and rear cameras, plus advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warnings. It even includes a free 64GB SD card to get you started. If you're looking for enhanced safety and complete road awareness, especially for longer drives or in busy traffic, this dual camera system is an excellent choice. What people say. The video quality is surprisingly clear, even in low light conditions. The wide-angle lens captures a very broad view of the road, ensuring more details are recorded. Installation was straightforward, and the device is quite compact and unobtrusive on the windshield. Number 3. BOOGIIO 1080p FHD Car Driving Recorder. Capture your drives in stunning 1080p Full HD. This device ensures outstanding image quality and a wide field of vision, providing clear playback on its 3-inch IPS screen. It automatically starts recording when you start your engine, keeping you protected. Don't let darkness compromise your safety. With its f1.8 aperture, WDR, and HDR, it delivers bright and clear recordings even in low-light conditions. You'll get sharp, color-accurate images without needing extra lights. See more of the road with its upgraded 6-glass lens and a true 170-degree field of view. This reduces blind spots, capturing more details to preserve the real scene of your journey. This device is equipped with a G-sensor for collision evidence, loop recording, and motion detection. It also offers superior night vision, parking monitoring, and date license plate stamps for a comprehensive and safe driving experience. Installation and operation are straightforward. It comes with a 32GB SD card pre-inserted and a suction mount for quick windshield attachment. It automatically records when your car engine starts, offering you peace of mind. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with lifetime after-sales support. Our 24-hour technical support team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. This recorder delivers crisp 1080p Full HD video with a very wide 170-degree field of view, all housed in a durable aluminum alloy case. If you prioritize a robust build and a broad perspective to minimize blind spots without breaking the bank, this option offers great value and reliability. What people say. The video quality is surprisingly clear, even in low light conditions. The wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the road, ensuring no blind spots. Installation was straightforward, and the device is quite compact and unobtrusive. Number 2. CIEVIE D100 Dual 4K Dash Cam. Experience crystal clear driving footage with our dual dash cam. The front camera captures stunning 4K UHD, while the rear provides crisp 1080p HD, ensuring every detail is recorded. Never worry about running out of space. It comes with a 64GB SD card and supports up to 256GB, automatically overwriting old footage while keeping important clips safe. In the event of a collision, its G-sensor automatically locks critical footage instantly. Enhance your security with the optional hardware kit for 24/7 parking surveillance. Transfer your recordings in a flash with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 4 times faster than standard connections. Stream live footage to your phone seamlessly, whether you're on the go or parked. Easily secure important evidence with a single touch. Its rotatable cameras offer flexible angles to adapt to any vehicle, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Drive with confidence day or night. Advanced technology and a wide aperture ensure clear recordings, capturing license plates and pedestrians even in low-light conditions. Easily monitor status and settings on the bright 1.5-inch IPS display. Get your camera set up and recording in no time for a hassle-free experience. What we like. Capture stunning dual 4K front and 1080p rear footage with lightning-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick transfers. The unique 360 degrees rotatable rear camera offers incredible flexibility in positioning. If you need top-tier resolution for both front and rear, coupled with rapid data transfer and adaptable camera angles, this is a standout option. What people say. The camera is small and discreet, easy to install. The video quality is excellent, clear even in low-light conditions. The wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the road. Number 1. AZDOME GS63 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. Introducing the AZDOME GS63 Pro, a 4K HDR dash cam that captures your journeys in stunning clarity. It records at Ultra HD 4K resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear, ensuring every detail, from road signs to license plates, is recorded. Experience groundbreaking no-light full-color night vision technology with this advanced dash cam. Its upgraded 4-megapixel image sensor delivers exceptional video quality, even in complete darkness, so you never miss a moment. This car camera comes with a built-in 128GB eMMC for storage. Enjoy stable performance without frame skipping or reading errors, ensuring your recordings are always safe and accessible. Drive smarter and safer with the integrated ADAS. This driving recorder uses artificial intelligence to analyze road conditions and provide real-time warnings, enhancing your awareness on the road. Connect your dash cam to your smartphone using 5 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless control. View, playback, download, and share your videos instantly through the AZDOME app, with incredibly fast download speeds. Keep your vehicle protected around the clock with the 24-hour parking mode. This feature ensures continuous monitoring, providing peace of mind even when your car is parked. What we like. Experience revolutionary no-light full-color night vision and a massive 128GB of built-in eMMC storage for reliable recording. With fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, managing your footage is a breeze. If you frequently drive in challenging low-light conditions or need ample, stable storage without worrying about memory cards, this advanced model is designed for you. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the road. It records in high definition, providing clear and detailed footage. The device is compact and easy to install, fitting discreetly behind the rear-view mirror. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.